refused, saying it doesn't recognise the junta's authority.
Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. How are we all doing? I hope you are doing well. Thank you for always stopping by to watch this girl. Thank you for always supporting me. I'm loyal, I'm humble. I appreciate each and every one of you. May the good Lord keep blessing each and every one of you. Today, I want to say Oyodi, like I will speak the French. Today, I bring Ali Bongo to my YouTube channel today. That is Gabon president. And Niger also, I still bring Niger to this mine table today. I want to bring their updates. According to military for Gabon, they don't free Ali Bongo from house arrest. According to the news, they say they free him because of health issue. May he go take care of his health. May he go take care of himself. You guys know this man, this Gabon president, he dey sick, but he no know say he dey sick before he dey look for top 10. Like say they put the country for him hand to hold. Now as military come take over, now he realize say he dey sick. He need to go take treatment. That is the reason why Gabon military release him for house arrest. May he go take treatment. What do you guys think? You guys think say the military do well or they not do well? For me, they do well, so that now he have lesson. Now he have learned his lesson. He will never try it. I can't wait to see Cameroon own. Cameroon own that president, that 90 years man. I can't wait God to use broom to sweep his family member out of that position in Cameroon, because not only you guys family exist in Cameroon, you guys should give other person chance, so that at least they will still try their best, so that we will see. Mostly this Gabon, according to this Gabon, they said they have oil and they are not much, they are little. This Gabon supposed to be a country when, in fact, like small London, small UK, you know, they say there are not too many. They have oil. Where is the money? Where the money is going? They can even be paying their citizens, each and in fact each family, they can be paying them without no work, like all those Arab country. They say like Arab country, they say Gabon is like that. They have money and they are not too large like my country, Nigeria. Nigeria is large. I can't still wait for my country to be better, but according to what I'm saying, my country, they really practice democracy. Yes, democracy. At least you have right to rule 2 times as president. If you put yourself there, once that first term finish, you still try to put yourself there. The third one, you can't try it again. You have right to rule 2 times. I pray this Gabon military, they should put that law. They should sign it before hand over it to democracy again. And let's move to Niger. Niger, they say may France come out for their country. May France go out of their country. May France go back to where they for come. Before I dey talk, I want me una listen to the news. Yes, I want me una listen to the news. No be say na me for John. They say may France go back to their country. Let's listen to them.
Of some of its troops. Withdrawal of some of its troops. Well, thousands of protesters have been rallying outside the French military base in the capital Niamey. Niger's coup leaders have been urging France to withdraw 1,500 troops that are stationed there and has ordered the French ambassador to leave. Paris has refused, saying it doesn't recognise the junta's authority. Niger was plunged into turmoil in July when President Mohamed Bazoum was ousted in a coup.
The government has already denounced the agreements that are they are in an illegal position, and I think are underway should very quickly enable these forces to withdraw from our country.
Just joins us live from outside. And what is the situation there at the moment? We know that protesters have been building over the last few days. What is it like there right now?
Now, the streets are empty. We're right in front of the military base. To my left, if the camera pans to my left, you see the military base. Actually, it's a Nigerian military base, which also houses a camp for French forces. 1,000, an estimated 1,500 of them are in there. And this is what the protesters who've been gathering at this base over the past few days are demanding, that they should leave the country. And France so far has not moved any of them out of the country. Basically, it's also coming at a time when the ambassador of France to Niger has refused to leave the country. So basically, we've seen demonstrations, large crowds, previous days, especially over the weekend. But right now, what we're seeing is a disappointing crowd in terms of the numbers that we saw over the weekend. So we're not sure whether or not this protest is losing steam or that will be the end of it. Tom?
And the Prime Minister's resolution with ECOWAS soon. What more can you tell us?
Well, the Prime Minister told a press conference yesterday while we were that very soon an agreement with ECOWAS will be reached. But he also took the opportunity to describe the sanctions and embargoes placed on Niger following the coup as unjust, inhumane, and illegal, and that they have taken action to complain about this. He didn't say before which court, maybe the ECOWAS court or the international community or international tribunals like those of trade and all. But he said they have complained about the unjust nature of these sanctions, which basically are biting in this country. He also spoke a lot about relationship with France. And he said they demanded that France should leave the country. And apart from that, he also spoke about the numerous problems facing the country. A huge debt that he says the military junta met upon arrival, and also spoke about the huge salary bill that the junta is trying to pay civil servants. There are civil servants who have not been paid for more than a month right now. And so these are all piling up and adding to the problems in Niger. Remember, Nigeria in the early days of the coup cut off electricity to this country, and the situation remains the same. Niger want that lifted, and along with other sanctions. And also on Monday, they announced that the airspace, which is just beside the military base behind me, has been reopened to international flights, but special flights, military flights, and other operational flights need special permission for them to fly over Niger's airspace.
That is now my country. They would supply Niger light. When we don't get light, Nigeria, no una fair feed una old children before una they feed others now. With the lack of light, we don't have light, and now they give light to Niger. You never see food eating, and they give food outside. You don't see this. This one not part of juju. This one not be juju. Nigeria can't cut light. Okay, France, please. Me and they leave France. If you guys don't really have any agenda, you guys are there to support them, and they say they don't need that support. Please, me una pack una kaya and leave. This is how I see it. If those people, you are helping somebody, and the person said, I don't need that your help again, please, you guys should go and channel the help in another place. Niger said they don't need you. You guys should go. I will bring the next one. What the, ambassador, France ambassador in Niger, waiting he explain. I don't want this my video too long so that you guys can watch it very well. Like me, France, please leave Niger. All the Western world, we should leave Niger. Let them settle their differences. Because those our president, they too they do. Let's tell ourselves the truth. We suffer too much. That is why we always, migrate to another country. Leave them. As far as they said they can handle the economy, they can do the economy. As far you don't have any interest, you don't have anything you are gaining, leave them now. Please. Are you the military of Gabon? You guys, the way you guys say you will agree to ECOWAS, you guys should try. Do it fast. Then you guys should hand over it to democracy. Before you guys hand over it to democracy, you guys should try and copy. Let everybody sign. You have right to rule once or twice. As far you just finish your term, go. We don't need you again. Go and sit there as ex-president. Don't go there and go and be a dormant there. Then your children will be suffer. Now Nigeria station those people, they cut their electricity. Please, my Nigeria people, you guys should give them the electricity. There is children there. There is elderly people there. Please, me I'm begging on the behalf English. Come back to this my mouth. Me I'm begging on the behalf of Niger. Please, my Nigeria people, I know my mama don't have light over. And you guys are giving light outside Nigeria, my country. The way you guys give them before, you guys should still give them. Please remember, there is children, there is old people. Those people there, in fact, number one. Please, you guys should look onto those things. I pray the military of Niger should, quickly hand over it to the democracy so that they will sign it. This is my new update. Niger military, they ask Niger military, they asked France to go out of their country, but France refused to go out of Niger. Me, I tell France now, as far you are there to help them, they said now they don't need the help. Okay, carry the help and go. Come back to France. You guys should live there. You said France said they will not leave Niger because they don't know. They don't know the military. They know the president. The president should come outside and address them. I hope they're here now. Please carry your kaya. You guys should go back to France. And Ali Bongo, I hope you will be in the good position to be telling those your fellow presidents who they will get there, they will not want to leave. I hope you will be in the good position to be telling them that don't try military. If military hand over you, they will not even look at as a president. Then you will be like honorary person once military take over. President will talk to normal person. That president crown, they will take it out of your head. It's better you respect yourself. That is why it's good when somebody is respecting you. Try and put yourself. Don't let that respect to go out from you. Once the respect go out from you, the person take that respect back. You will be like, in fact, Kaka will be more useful than you to that person. Respect yourself so that respect will come back to you. It doesn't mean children, they respect. They always say, ma. You will not have that respect to give them back. Once children respect you, you need to respect. Country votes you there. They vote you to go and do something. Then you refuse, start using that money to intimidate them. Many days for the thief, one day for the owner. And that one day, he knock Ali Bongo. Later start, you shout, I shout for him. I say, woo! The shout now. They now release him from house arrest. I don't know anything about his family, but that is son. They're supposed to package and well. Because as an adult I am now, I will see my dad or my mom is doing. I say, mommy, oh, daddy, those your grown-up adult children, they can't advise you, daddy, move out of position because your father will hand over it to you. You want to rule again to hand over it to your son. You not fear God, though, those people. You not they fear God. Before you guys do somebody something, you guys always put those people on your shoe. If it is me, how can I take it? You guys will never. You will start using your power. Mostly that Cameroon. Hey, everybody be doing video. At the end of your video, Cameroon president must go. Cameroon president must go. Cameroon president, you must go. You are not the only family in Cameroon. Cameroon is big. I will continue shouting. See, I see Cameroon president. Move out. Francie, ça va? You guys are see Cameroon now. Carry the power. Go and move Cameroon president out of that position so that we can see the power, the help you guys are helping the Africa. It's too much. How can a 90 years rule country? What is that? Is that not Ojuju? That one not pass Ojuju. That one Ojuju not pass, huh? What he pass that one? He not there for this earth to 90 years. Forces suit on his body. Haba. This one too much, yo. My people, I just want to get to talk. I just let me update my followers that Niger asked France to leave their country, and Ali Bongo, they don't release her. They say me go continue with the treatment. Yes, they say me go continue with me go take the treatment. Maybe you go do no say na France now. Maybe you go do enter France now and take treatment. You go do like next time you not try to do this video like don't do this video like because the calabar because they run the game. I would do it
I'm a mind that's you the talk. I put my life into my job and then